Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in the video. In this video, I'm going to show you a Django computer vision based application which can do number of things for you. Now how you can use this application, let's first see that. So what you have to do, you have to come on sign in and then you have to register your profile on the platform. So when you will come here on this page, you can just enter a random username. For example, I'm entering Arshit for now, and here I would like to enter the email address, and it is also a random email address. Password is this, sign in. So I have successfully created the profile of Harshit on the web platform which is made in Django. Okay, now how to sign in? So the username through which I created the profile, I need to enter it here, and here I need to enter the password. So I have successfully signed into the application, as you can see, right? And because Harshit has not used any of the services of the platform, that is the reason currently here 0 is getting reflected. So he hasn't used any services right now, so it is 0 by 10 which he has used. Okay, let's check out the services which Harshit can use. Okay, so we have to come on services, then we can click here on launch, and here you will come across the types of services that you can use on the platform. So if suppose you have an image and you have to just clear all the filters which are there on the image, so you can simply use the first one. Let me just show it to you. So I'm choosing a random image. So I have some images downloaded on my device. I have chosen an image named Gaurav, and this is the first service that I'm using, which is with name no filter. Let's upload the image and check out the output. So as you can see, now this is the image which which is without any filter. So if you have to save it, you can right click and then you can save image as, and you can save the image wherever you want to. Besides that, you can also find the converted image here in this folder named final images, right? So this is where you will find the output images, and this is where you will find the images you will upload on the platform. Okay, now let us use the second one, which is colorized. So I would again like to select the same image Gaurav. Let us select the second option and upload, and this is the result, right? Similarly, let us use the grayscale option. So it's very simple and it's very user friendly. Okay, and the code, if you know Django, definitely you will be able to understand the code too. In case you need any help, anything you want to understand related to Django or anything related to coding, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen at present. Then binary, let us again select the same image. Okay, upload. Yeah, so as you can see, all the services are working, and for each of the services I have defined an individual, or you can say a separate application. A Django project can have more than one applications, as you know, right? Now let us use the face detection mechanism. So I would like to apply it on an image which I downloaded some while back on my device. So here you can see there are 3 famous celebrities, and let us see whether this web application will be able to detect the faces of these celebrities or not. So let us upload the image. Okay, so you can see here it has successfully detected their faces, also their eyes, right? So this is the benefit of coding. Let us use some other image for now. Maybe there is some issue with that image. Okay, upload. Okay, so I'm getting the output. Fine, I'm getting this output. That is great. Okay, so whatever things you have done, automatically they will come under the history page. So we, if you remember, the first thing we did is we applied no filter service on this image. So this is the output image, this is the input image, then we colorize the image, we you know removed the colors in the image by applying grayscale service. Then we blurred the image, we took out the binary form of the image, we inverted the colors of the image, phase detection, sketched. So all these things are there in the history. About, you can find everything about the developer here. Then you can find about your profile and everything, whatever you have created, whatever you entered while creating or uploading a profile on the platform. If you want to edit your profile, you can simply do it like this, and here you can enter your first name. So Harshit, let's say Sharma is his second name, and save. So this is how you can change your profile. And then if you have to delete your account, you can simply hit delete. Authentication required, enter password for Harshit. So let's see whether we'll be able to delete this account or not. Okay, so I successfully deleted Harshit's account. So the moment you will delete the profile from the web application, automatically whatever things that person has done so far on the application will also get removed. So the moment I deleted his profile, Harshit's profile, you can see all the images which were there in the final images and original images named folder, they have gone. Okay, let us just create another account with some random names. So I'm choosing Samir. Okay, done with creating a profile with name Samir. Okay, as you can see, 0 by 10 is getting reflected over here, service. And I would like to just launch and check out the classification and shape detection. Geometry 1, let's go with geometry 1. Maybe this will give us a correct output. So here is the output. Stop sign, see? So classification can also be done with the help of the application. Let's now check out shape detection. So let me see which figure can we take. It's a PNG image. I want to go with a JPG rather. Okay, this is a JPG geometry 1. Let me just upload it. Okay, so we got the output, as you can see, right? So here it says hexagon, this is triangle, this is circle, this is octagon, this is heptagon. So it has successfully classified for us the image. It has detected all the shapes which are present in the image. Similarly, if you have to flatten the document, you can use the last one. Fine. So this is the way you can use the web application. And don't worry about the code. I'm going to share it with you guys in the description section in the form of a link. Click the link, it will redirect you to a GitHub repo where you can get the code, and you can just in one single click download it on your respective device, run it with a simple command python manage.py run server, right? And if you want to learn software development, mobile application development, or anything which can be done with the help of coding, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens right now. Thank you very much for being there with me in this tutorial. Have a great day ahead. But before you leave, let me tell you, please do not forget to like and share the video in your groups and make it reach to the maximum students possible, because I want others also to come to my channel and learn these beautiful things which I'm teaching. Thank you so very much for being there with me. Have a great day ahead.